Imagine strolling into your coding gig one Monday morning, only to find your beloved rubber duck debugging buddy and coffee mug boxed up, with HR ready to escort you and your belongings to the exit. The reason? Your job's been snagged by the office coffee machine, now moonlighting as a code wizard. According to mainstream media's hype, it seems your toaster is on the brink of becoming the next coding prodigy, leaving us to ponder if writing code will soon be as archaic as deciphering hieroglyphs or brewing a decent cup of coffee. This fear of technological employment isn't new. It simply has a modern twist. Let's rewind to the Industrial Revolution, which steamrolled into the 19th century, turning societal norms upside down with the subtlety of a disco ball in a monastery. Back then, manual laborers saw their jobs replaced by machines, a change as welcome as a skunk at a garden party. Yet it also opened up the floodgates to a slew of new jobs, from factory workers to engineers, creating a job migration frenzy to cities, reminiscent of teenagers flocking to the latest viral trend. Fast forward to Henry Ford's mastering the assembly line, turning manufacturing into a piece of cake sliced so thin everyone got a piece. This era made bespoke goods as outdated as dial-up internet, introducing roles that kept the gears greased and the production lines humming like a well-tuned guitar. Now, as AI and LLMs threaten to transform coders into museum exhibits, we're reminded that change is as inevitable as finding crumbs in your keyboard. The digital revolution made manual tasks vanish like socks in a laundry room, bringing forth a digital renaissance of jobs from software developers to digital marketeers, making working in your pajamas an acceptable career choice. Yet, as robots and automation take center stage, turning repetitive tasks into a distant memory, we're ushered into an era where creativity and problem-solving skills are the new currency. This shift towards a tech-savvy workforce paints a future where being robot smart might be your ticket to global domination, or at least a secure job. As we ponder the future implications of LLMs and AI, it's clear that while they may automate the grunt work, they're not about to send human programmers riding into the sunset just yet. Instead, they're setting the stage for a new era of problem solving and design ingenuity, sprinkled with a healthy dose of ethical contemplation. The evolution of technology, from steam engine to AI, continues to shape our world in unpredictable ways. While it's tempting to envision a future where programmers are as rare as a quiet moment in a cat video, the truth is, the role of humans in shaping technology remains irreplaceable. So, as we brace for this next wave of innovation, remember, the key to survival may lie in your ability to laugh in the face of change and adapt faster than a chameleon at a disco at the monastery.